Hey lovelies, it is close to Valentine's Day, if you can see my shirt. So I wanted to do a soft, pretty, fun look. I've already done the rest of my makeup. I have baby watermelon on my lips and cheeks. And I wanted to do a super quick, easy eyeshadow look with just a few different colors. And I've got all my pinks, so pretty, you can see. And I'm gonna start with Paris. It's this pretty baby pink. I went ahead and pulled my smudge brush out, and I'm gonna use the wider, more rounded end because that's really dense and it is going to pack the color on a little more. Now it's a really soft baby pink, so it's not going to be too bright. I could get a little more brightness if I used like my finger to put it on. I'll go ahead and show you in a second. But with pink, you know, it's really going to show up. And so that's with the smudge brush. And if I want it a little heavier on there, it's just this pretty baby pink. And you could actually just stop there. I'm putting it just on my eyelids. Of course, I have already primed my lids. If you've watched my other eyeshadow videos, I always prime my eyelids with my brightening highlight color, which is, let's see, today I think I used Versailles. So, but just one of the brightening highlights. It covers up the veins, it covers the yellows, purples, reds, all the funky colors that are on your eyelids that can just make things look a little mottled and make you look kind of sleepy or kind of different. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that on with my finger in the middle over here just to keep things even. And even that is really pretty, I feel like. But we're gonna do a little bit more. I'm gonna go with my fluffier brush down. This is my eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to, is that coming down a little? I think the arm on my thing may be drooping. Okay, I'm gonna use the eyeshadow brush, the big fluffy end, and I'm going to go into this Clairo color. And that is another really pretty color, really pretty pink. It's darker, stronger than Paris, but they go together so beautifully. And I'm just gonna kind of windshield wiper this, work it into my crease, just kind of back and forth, and just kind of really not being super careful. I'm just working it into my crease and kind of above. I'm not taking it all the way to my brows. I'm just kind of doing a fat line, like a rainbow arch, where my crease is, right above my lid, and just kind of giving that area a wash of pretty pink color. And once again, you can even stop here, and this is going to be a pretty soft, easy look. I have my brows done and I have my mascara on, and it can be soft and you don't even need eyeliner. But we're gonna do just a little bit more. Okay, so now we're gonna go into Lullaby, and Lullaby is such a great color. It's like a neutral pink. It's a smoky mauve color. I'm going in with the same brush, which is my eyeshadow brush and the fluffy end, but I'm being more careful in small areas. I'm not kind of washing fast. I want to be a little more careful because I want to keep it tight in that crease. I don't want the wash of color to kind of smudge up like I was fine with Clairo doing. I want to keep this tighter. So you can see this one just has Clairo, and then this one has a little bit of the Lullaby, and Lullaby is just going to make your eyes pop more because it's a little darker and it still matches beautifully. These are just such yummy colors. It's going to be perfect for a Valentine's Day look. And I've been wearing this a lot lately all week, just kind of leading up to Valentine's Day. I remember how excited I used to be as a little girl in elementary school about how you'd get the Valentines ready like the week before, and you'd have a Valentine's party at school. And it was so fun, and I would wear little heart sweaters and everything like I still do. And so I still kind of get excited. I'm married. I've been married for almost 23 years, and I still think it's fun. Yes, I know it's a commercial thing kind of dreamed up by probably card and candy companies, but I still like it. So, all right. So pretty and soft. I love that. So you don't have to wear any eyeliner if you don't want to. You know I love my eyeliner. It's unusual for me to go without. Sometimes I do. We're going out to dinner tonight though, so let's give it a little bit of liner. Let's do an upper liner. I don't want to go too over the top because I don't want to take away from the softness of this pretty baby pink and the softness of the look with the sweater. But let's say we wanted to go ahead and do a wing, which you know I'm all about. And now I've got my line brush, makes it super simple. We have this really thin razor, thin angled flat brush down here. And let's see, I go into black all the time, but let's see what other fun colors we might want to do. Okay, I'm gonna go into this Revival. It's like a deep burgundy matte color. And let's start with it kind of tight next to my lash line. That way, if I'm not crazy about this color with it, we can reverse direction and go with something else. But actually, I think it's gonna work. So let's wing it out a little more. I love using my eyeshadows for my eyeliner. Not only do they give a really soft, pretty look, they're so much more forgiving than other liners would be, like a liquid or even pencils. It's so easy to fix. And also, you want to know what I also love about it is I used to have all of these Urban Decay eyeliners, and I had all kinds of different colors, and I had to carry those pencils around when I traveled and went anywhere. I had to store them in this makeup drawer with all my different makeup stuff. And I love how I don't need any other extra products to carry along, how I can still keep everything except my mascara in my palette and do my entire face with one palette. And I usually come up more toward the middle, but I'm trying to really focus this on, I'm coming close to it, but I'm trying to focus it more on the end. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush when I have that fallout coming down just to swoop that away. And I think we're going to give this a little more wing because it just feels more romantic. If we're going to add this on there, let's go ahead and give it a little extra bump of romance and cuteness just to kind of make it this burgundy wing kind of fun, especially since we're keeping it mostly on the outside. We're not going all the way to the center and we're not going down below. Okay, so we just have a little tiny baby burgundy wing on there, and let's go ahead and put the cherry on top, and let's go ahead and use Angel. I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's like a cream, or it is cream, a pink illuminator. And if you watch my videos, you know I always like to put that on the tip of my nose because it just adds to that swoop, and also just makes it cute and perky looking. A little bit at the top and bottom of the center of my lips. And let's go ahead and put a little up here to give us a little dazzle at the top of my cheeks. And that's it. A super simple, super easy, light Valentine's Day look with, let's see, 3 eyeshadow colors. We used the Paris on my lid, the Clairo in the crease and for a fatter wash, and then we got in there tight with Lullaby, and then we went ahead and did a wing, which you would not have to do with Revival. So I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, let me know. If you would like a color match, if you would like to order any of these yummy colors, we have so many good ones and I can totally help you out. So let me know. I would love to color match you. I'll have all the links down below in the subscription or in the description, and please like and subscribe because it helps me so much. So I'll see you soon.